Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Megan. If you didn't know, now you know. And today we're going to do the intro for the Zombie Claw Halloween Advent Calendar 13 days. It's American Horror Story themed. We are going to do a little intro here, and then there's going to be a mini series where I'm going to use each item for its intended purpose, and it's going to come in the posting of like a short or a reel or something like that. And then at the end of the series there's going to be a compilation where I'm going to put them all together in the longer format in case you missed any, with all of this part, the talking, all that good stuff. So make sure you're here for that. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're following my socials if that's where you would rather watch the short forms. But here is where the big one is going to be. But let's talk about it real quick. So the pre-order for this was from August 4th to August 18th. You do have to get on this ahead of time. So if you want to get it next year, remember, leave yourself some sort of reminder on your calendar to get on that. The price for this was $140. It is said to contain $200 plus in items. It says there are items from over 5 different vendors. I don't know if that means 6 or 7 or 5.5. But it does also say that the pre-order was capped at 50. So I don't know if they only made 50 total or if they made 50 pre-order and then some extras, but either way it is sold out now. I can tell you as well that you are able to pay for this with Shop Pay so that you can pay for it in pieces instead of all at one time. The suggested posting for this is October 19th to start, and that'll give us 13 items for the 13 days, finishing on Halloween. Let's look at the box. So when you open it, this is kind of what you see. We've got this little card. If you have been watching my little shorts, you probably saw the video announcing that this has come in. And then we did get a little thank you note from Sabrina. Thank you, Sabrina. And then we pull back this paper, and here are our items. So in this video, we are going to go ahead and check out item number 1, and then the rest of them will be in that short form like we talked about, and then again, they will all be there at the end. So let's look at item number 1. So just to insert real quick, this is not item number 1. This item is not labeled, and I pulled out all the other items, and I have one for each day. So I think this is a bonus item. Let's look in here first. Shall we dump it? Let's do it. Aha! It's candy! Ooh, mini crawlers. They gave us a wax, and the scent, Coven. Let's smell it. Mmm. It's sweet. Almost like a dessert. A little bit spicy. I can't say that I know what that fragrance is, but I like it. I'm gonna have to put that in my wax warmer. Oh, it says on here, Fruity Pebbles, Sugar Cookie, and Marshmallow Fireside. Very interesting. Look how cute the little label is. And then we have some skulls. Looks like they might be, is this soap? I was gonna say it might be white chocolate, but I think it's soap. Shea butter soap. How interesting. Well, thank you. That's very neat. This would look real cute next to my little bathroom sinks. People come in and be like, oh, what's this little skull? It's soap. We've got a gummy pickle, some snakes, some eyeballs, a sucker, this thing, and we've got us a little bracelet. Look how cute it is. It has a little skull on it. Love it. Okay, back to what we were doing before I was sidetracked. Day 1, what's in here? It's a polish. It's a red polish. It's called Murder House, Day 1. Pause to read if you would like. And then here is the same label on the bottom of the bottle and the front of the bottle. I love the Zombie Claw packaging. It is so pretty. It appears to be a red with a gold flake and a shimmer. Ooh, look how pretty that is. We're gonna use it. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to buff these down thin, and we're going to paint on top of it. Okay, so we've got those thin enough that it doesn't have the sweater texture anymore. This one got a little bit extra thin, and my cuticles are very dry and skint up now. Doesn't hurt, but it was skin that was peeling anyway. I will definitely have to lubricate that after. Let's go in and add some paint. Look how beautiful that is. It is so shimmery and glittery, and that's one coat coverage. I really like that. That is so pretty. This one, you can see more now where the French is, just barely. So I probably will do a second coat on these, but if you didn't have a pattern underneath, it would probably not be necessary. Honestly, that is just stunning. I really love that shimmer. Let's do the second coat. Okay, so we're gonna give this a moment, and then I am going to top coat it in. I will use the China Glaze Quick Dry top coat. As you know, it is my favorite. I don't have any Zombie Claw top coat. And so that will be the end of day 1's item. We'll see you in day 2. I just quickly wanted to do an outro for you for this video since it is more of your typical video. All the links for the items that I can find will be in the description. If any of these are exclusive, then there won't be. And then, of course, I will leave you a link just for the Zombie Claw website if you want to check them out in general. I am a huge fan of this brand. I discovered them at PBE 2023, so if you were not familiar with them, definitely go check them out. Definitely check out Polish and Beauty Expo. It's a whole lot of fun. And please make sure you are liking and subscribing and leaving me comments. I do appreciate your interaction. It helps me, it helps my channel. I love making these videos, and I hope that you love watching them. And remember, you will get one of these each day in short form and then a compilation at the end. So thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.